I'm modifying this FAQ to make it so that all a customer needs to do is type in a new question like, tell me more about Gladys, or you can throw in a question mark, and then the more info about Gladys. She was mistreated by science and used a neurotoxin to kill the science, blah, blah, blah. We'll copy all this, paste it in there. Okay, so once we get a new question in there, we can see over here that we don't have a tell me more about Gladys anything. So now all that I need to do is we run the voice first AI code base, and then it will automatically go over here and it will add in the responses. It will also change this to lower cases with dots in it, and now it's also deploying it locally, so that way we can run the app automatically. I got a timer running. It deploys both the language model and the information from the skill manifest, including all publishing info. And then once it finishes building, it'll also run the Jovo app locally. Now that we have our local server, we can say, Alexa, launch Aperture Science. Alexa, launch Aperture Science.
Welcome to Aperture Laboratories. Who would you like to hear a sound from?
Tell me more about Gladys.
Gladys was mistreated by the scientists and used a neurotoxin to kill the scientists in the laboratory before the events of Portal. She is ostensibly destroyed at the end of the first game but returns in the sequel, in which she is comically supplanted and temporarily stuck on a potato battery.
Stop.
Bye-bye, my friend.
So that's how you updated it. It's as easy as typing in a new question like, who is Cave Johnson? Adding in a new question. Cave Johnson is a funny man from Portal 2. And then after we type in that Cave Johnson is a funny man, again, it's not defined over here in the language model. We just need to run this again, and it will automatically update this Google Sheets. We now have who is Cave Johnson prompt. Cave Johnson was now changed to lower cases with dots in the middle, and as soon as it finishes deploying, we can see all of those changes by talking to our Amazon Alexa devices.